Hi guys, how you all doing? Today is Pancake Day. We are going to make British pancakes. So very simple, couple of eggs, some flour, water, milk, a little bit of butter. Now traditionally, pancakes were served with sugar and lemon. So I'm going to make traditional British pancakes. Let's show you how. In a bowl then, add 130 grams of flour and a pinch of salt, and we want to be sieving this flour just to make it a bit lump free. After we sieved it, we need to make a well in the centre. We want to crack in 2 eggs. Give the eggs a little beating, just start to beat them into the flour. And then we want to take our 100 milliliters of water and 200 milliliters of milk, mix it together and start mixing it in our batter mix. So mix it in gently, stir it round, no lumps. Keep mixing in, keep stirring round, keep repeating until we have a lump-free batter. Now when we've got a completely lump-free batter, we need to let it rest for about 20 minutes. Okay, after 20 minutes, put on a pan, medium heat. Put some butter on, give it a twirl round so the butter goes around the surface of the pan, and then spoon on a ladle of our batter. Now we need to give this a twirl it round, and if it doesn't quite fill up the gaps, just add a little bit more batter, fill up the gaps. Now when the underside of the pancake is cooked, it will be free. You will be able to move it on the pan, and then you can give it a flip or turn. And what we need to do is we need to keep repeating the process till we've used our batter up. So on with the butter, twirl it round. Fill up the gaps if there's any gaps. When the underside is cooked, it will release from the pan. Flip it over or turn it, and keep repeating until we've used our batter up. And it's as easy as that. Now we don't walk away from the pan at all because it will burn, obviously. We don't want burnt pancakes. It's very easy, it's very quick. So when we've completed all our pancakes, we just need to serve. Now to serve, traditionally in Britain, it would be with a drizzle of lemon juice and some sugar. But I mean, you can put any topping that you wish, you know, you could have cheese on there, anything. So you can either serve the pancake flat, or we roll it up. That's it guys, roll it up, drizzle with lemon, little bit of sugar and enjoy. So easy, so simple, delicious. Nice and thin pancakes, really enjoyable. There we go guys, pancakes for Pancake Day. Happy Pancake Day. Hope you make them. Are you a tosser or a turner? Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.